Jill, what's Lila gonna do on the rocket?
Poop all over the place.
She's gonna poop all over the place. That's silly.
Why do you poop all over?
You would never do that. You're learning to poop where?
In the potty.
That's good. Yeah.
I did.
How about Auntie Kim? Does she poop in the potty?
Yes. Yeah. When you poop in the grass, that will be a mistake.
If you poop where?
In the ground.
I know. That's only dogs do that, right?
Yeah.
So did Santa come this year?
I know where you're going with that.
And what did he bring you?
I'll carry you.
He brought me a paper towel
Look at my new baby.
Oh, it's baby Joey. It's baby Joey. Hi, baby Joey.
Look at my new baby.
Oh.
Wait, wait, wait.
You better burp him. I think he has to burp.
No.
No.
I'm not beef. Now we need to carry me.
So Joey, did Santa come this year? What did Santa bring you? Like what?
Wait, you're looking at the camera.
I'm gonna put you on the TV. Can you smile for the camera? Come on. Come
I
on.
can smile at the camera.
Yay! There's Jill. Oh, that's a nice smile. The camera's happy that you're smiling like that. Oh, she's silly. Oh, she's silly. She's crazy. She's crazy. No, you can see, you can see Joey though.
that.
Oh yeah. She is a ham with a capital H. There's Joey. There's Jill. Yay! There's Uncle Joe. We're gonna put and there's Grammy. Yay! We can and Auntie Kim. Ah! And Matthew. And your mama. See, and there.
And Joey. And me. And that's me.
Well, we have to go over here to see
How's
you.
it going?
Say hi.
Hi.